traveling along on those railroad ties.
The steam engine was one of the first trains ever invented. Back in my day, we had to shovel coal onto the train just to get it to run. Took a lot of manual labor just to run the darn thing, but it got the job done.
Diesel engines are the more efficient alternative to the steam engine. Even today, improvements are continued to be made on the diesel engine, and it is still widely used. In the diesel engine, the fuel itself is directly combusted in the engine, which is more efficient than the method used by steam engines.
Between the wheels and the track. The solution is to take both these factors out of the equation. It sounds like science fiction, but trains that do just that really exist, and they're called maglev.
Welcome to the future. Maglev trains do not utilize any fossil fuels, but instead use a combination of permanent and electromagnets to propel a levitating train down a track. Maglev trains are the fastest trains that have ever been constructed, but research and development are still needed. There are only a few countries in the world that have active maglev trains.
Well, America doesn't have maglev trains.
America doesn't have steam engines anymore either.
America is running out of fossil fuels.
There are other options besides fossil fuels for diesel engines. They run on biofuel too.
At least you don't have to sell your firstborn to buy a steam engine. Back in the day, you could just hop on a steam engine.
Yeah, because they move so slow, it's worth the money to go 300 miles an hour.
Well, that doesn't sound very safe.
You need to do your research. Clearly, trains of the past, present, and future all have their pros and cons. But whether a train was built in the 1800s or just last year, the scientific advancements in chemistry brought about by each train are worthwhile to consider.
Coal!
Combustion! Expansion of hot gas!
Water has melted to make liquid water, and some molecules have enough energy to escape into the vapor or gas phase. Raising the temperature to well above 100 C, the boiling point of water, the molecules are no longer close together.
Don't forget about magnets. There's paramagnetic elements, ferromagnetic elements, and electromagnets.
Hello, young neighbors. Welcome to Junior Science. Today we're going to talk about the mysterious power of magnetism.
This is a magnet, and this is a magnet.
Magnets are in places you might not expect.
Now, today we're going to have a lot of fun with magnets, and you can too, right at home.
Some of them are repulsive. Some of them are attractive. Some of them are... Whoa!
It's official. I'm an HO Trainiac.